Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Today we're at 1823 Parkhurst Crescent in Pickering. So here we've got a detached double car garage home. It's 3 bedrooms, got a massive loft on the 2nd floor. Why don't you guys go in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that tour. If you guys have any questions about this property, feel free to get a hold of me. My number is gonna be on the screen. I would love to know what you guys think about this property. So leave me a comment, send me a DM, and remember one thing guys, get Kabani, get sold.